another installment of the I'm not paying attention to the details series. So it's kind of hard to tell in this light, but I just realized today that the steering wheel like inserts, like this one is silver, and these two, which are the ones that came with the GT500 steering wheel, are gray, like more of a gray color. And I don't know if you can tell in the comparison here, like this is the one that came with the GT500 steering wheel, and it was just easier to put this side back using the original one. But now I'm gonna try to figure out a way to switch these out just so this one matches. But I noticed today when I was driving and I had sun like shining into the car, one of my few complaints is that some of the stuff that like the shinier and like chrome and like silver stuff, like around the AC vents and on the dash, and also this on the original steering wheel, is that it like reflects a lot of sun. But today when I was driving, I noticed that there's a lot less reflection on these like slightly darker, less shiny inserts that came with the GT500 steering wheel. So I don't even really need to do like a vinyl wrap or something unless I just wanted to change the color, because it seems like just getting the steering wheel with these slightly darker inserts actually solved another one of my problems, things that I was complaining about on the original steering wheel. So yeah, I was gonna scold my viewers for not pointing this out to me, but I can't even tell when I'm looking at it through the camera or on the video. But when I see it in like natural light, when I was driving, when I could see this with the sun shining into the car, it was so obvious. Good times. You can kind of see the color difference here. So obviously this matches, this does not. So I'm gonna try and get this replaced, but make sure we keep the correct button set up. This time I managed to pull the piece off without actually pulling the buttons out, so I'll see if I can get this back in without a problem. I wasn't recording, of course, but with a little bit of pushing and maneuvering, it got in there okay. So now we have matchy steering wheel. There's still a little bit of residue from the wrapping on this. I tried to clean it up a little bit, but I'm trying to be careful and not scratch it. I guess I didn't push it all the way. Good times. We'll chalk this up as a victory for like the third time working on this steering wheel for the dude Mustang. So anyways, on a Fox Body related note, you might notice that the battery is no longer in the car. That's because it's charging again. I don't know what happened. I think I drove it for like, I didn't drive it for like a week, which I know is unforgivable, but I gotta make sure I'm at least starting it up like once a week, but there hasn't been a lot of opportunities lately. So once this is charged, I'm gonna start it up and take it for a drive in a little while. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna see if the baby jogger stroller will fit in the back of the dude Mustang. I anticipate it will, but we could check to confirm. didn't work the way I wanted it to. Click. It fits. Hashtag practical Mustang. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. And keep an eye out. Hopefully sometime soon we'll have some updates on the Fox Mustang. Hope you're staying healthy. Hope you're staying safe. Peace out.